My name is Ewert Hauptfleisch. I'm the wildlife manager here at Samara Karoo Reserve. My role entails working with the wildlife, but I've got a huge passion for restoring the landscape back to its former glory. So we mainly make use of three methods. It's ponding, spekboom planting, brush packing. If I look at my children, or through their eyes, my boy would say I work with the cheetahs and the lions, and my girl would say I work with a shovel a lot. Samara and the Pearston Eco Youth Circle, they've got a partnership. As the wildlife manager of Samara, I've got the privilege of facilitating this partnership. These projects entail taking the youngsters off the streets, taking them on a game drive, planting spekboom, teaching them about wildlife, the environment, ecology. The newer generations, they are the future. We need to educate them, teach them how to respect nature, work with nature. I would tell the future conservationists, look after nature, and nature will look after you.